Hey bestie, hope you're having a fantastic day. Now this is gonna be the easiest, simplest graphic eyeliner look. I don't even know if we can call this graphic eyeliner because it's just so simple. We're gonna have one eyeshadow color, a little line, and that's it. Without any further ado, let's create this look. I'm starting from a NYX Ultimate Brights palette and this yellow shade. And to apply it, I'm using the Crease Blend brush by Beauty. I'm just going all over. I'm gonna mobile it with a shade. Blending to the crease. Close the lash line as well, don't forget that. Drag to the outer corner a little bit as well. Just blend it through. Super easy look as it's just one color. Okay, to the graphic eyeliner part. Now I'm not gonna use eyeliner just because I feel like this product that I'm using is just easier to control. It's just my opinion, but you can go straight away with the eyeliner, or you can like sketch with this and then go with the eyeliner so you have a line to follow. What I'm gonna use is a NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen in a color Espresso. So what I'm always doing, drawing a little bit like on my hand to get the ink to the tip, and then I'm gonna go in a little triangle. That's it. It's easy as that. That's it. Next step is to apply mascara. We can go to the face, and then after we do the face, we can add a little bit yellow eyeshadow here and a tiny bit of line in the eye corner. So first thing I'm doing, I'm just brushing my lashes. For mascara, I'm using my current obsession, the Triple Shot XXL mascara. Touch my eyelid. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, for mascara to dry, and then I'm gonna clean off with a clean spoolie. Eyes are nearly done. Let's go with the face, and then we can finish off the lower lash line. For primer, I'm using Watermelon Burst by Ciara. Hydrating primer. And for foundation, I'm going with my favorite one, as you probably could guess, the NYX Can't Stop One Step in a color Natural. And to apply it, I'm using the Beauty brand Flathead Foundation brush. 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 Let's quickly set this up using the setting brush by Beauty. Let's contour a little bit. Gonna use the contour brush by Beauty. Okay, gonna quickly contour nose. Gonna use the Precision Contour brush. Dab of highlighter using the Beauty highlighter brush for this. This brush literally picks up just the right amount of the product. Down the nose, smooth bridge, brow arch. I'm coming back to this NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen, and I'm going in an eye corner, just one line. Lower lash line, I'm coming back to the same brush we used to apply the eyeshadow, and the product that is still on the brush, I'm just gonna blend it on the lower lash line. Same mascara. So for lipstick, I'm using the Mina 503 24-hour longwear lipstick. and the look is complete. I'm just gonna go and add some fox freckles because I'm obsessed with it, but you can totally skip it because eyes and face is done. For fox freckles, I'm just using the Brow Hero by Ere Perez, which is a brow gel actually, tinted brow gel. I'm just dotting on. And then I'm gonna use my ring finger to tap it on. As I said, this look is super easy to create. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna go and create it. If you're gonna do so, tag me in your pictures because you guys make my day when you tag me in your pictures. This actually is perfect if you have hooded eyes and you can't really wear eyeliner because it kind of doubles up as an eyeliner, but it's not really eyeliner. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye! Have a fantastic day, guys. Ciao!